And then the other thing was there needs to be harmonies that are different from the main line, and you were starting to do that at the end, and that's why I was like wanting to hear it, and Michael knew I was wanting to hear it. And then the final thing is that final note, when you're ending the note, end the song. Do something to end it. Everyone wants an ending, so command the end. But I love the song. Right. Good job, guys. High five. High five. High five. High five.
It's good, isn't it?
Boom!
Yeah.
Oh, your eyes, they shine so bright, brighter than the stars up in the sky. When I walk down and see your smile, makes my life worth the while. When I walk down and see your smile, makes my life worth the while.
Dude, I loved it. Dude, that was. Here's two things. Just, look, because you're singing like a lovey song, you know. Yeah. So just like a little. Don't be afraid to get a little sexy with it a little, right? Does that make sense? Yeah. Maybe do some of that falsetto-y stuff in there. Right. Just get really emotional now. Like, nice job. I actually like that. That was pretty cool. You guys are out of tune. You need to be in tune. Tune up before every time you tune up before your killer drums. Nice job. Nice job. I like that little break.
Beginning guitar player.
That was good. Yeah, I like the riffs. I like that. I felt like the tone could have been, because it was just this rockin' song. I felt like the tone could have been a little more harsh. Yeah. You know.
Said 1, 2, 3, 4. Rappers that be dropping to the floor when I hit a beat. Know what the rapper wanna wrestle with me though, cause we end up on the ground with my arm around the throat like.
Switch up the lane cause y'all all sound the same, like you all really name my word plays no game. Cause I really hawk ether, this ain't no art either.
Very good. All right. I liked your flow. Yeah, that was great. Both of you guys flowed well. Maybe you both come into a chorus. Woo, woo. Na 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 na. What makes a hit song? So this is a seven parts to a hit song. Story. Doesn't always have to have a story, but is there a story? Can there be a story? Is it telling a story? You get the point, right? Number 2, it's gotta make you dance some way.
Yeah.
You know, you gotta dance, or you gotta rock, or you gotta song. When it's a hit song, every element works, everything is working with each other, the pieces are really meshing together, right? 4, the feeling. They don't know why it's gone past the rational, logical mind, and they're just enjoying it. They're inviting, it's gotta invite you in. You know those songs you hear, and all of a sudden it just changes your mood completely, or you just start dancing, or... Number 6 is really important, the song needs to be singable. People need to be able to sing it. You need to be able to speak it, they need to be able to speak it back. Number 7 is style. It's gotta have style. If you're just ripping off things, you're just a rip-off band. No one wants to fund you. You gotta be ingenuitive, come up with good music, use your influences, combine things together. Everybody say, woo!
Oh yeah.
All right, I got some CDs. You guys want some CDs? Whoever wants one, come grab one.
Oh, snap. Thank you.
You're very welcome. 2 more. One for you. Okay, here's the first album. First album. There you go. You're very welcome. There you go. You're welcome.